Hi, and welcome to the video on reflection. By the end of this video, you should be able to recognize reflections and be able to draw a reflection of an object. So let's take a look at what that means. A reflection is a transformation. It's a movement in which each point on an object is flipped across a line of reflection, sort of like a mirror. Let's take, for example, this picture here. We're going to reflect this picture in the line of reflection in the middle of the screen. Now what I notice is that C is 4 boxes away from the line of reflection, which means that the reflection of that point C is also going to be 4 boxes away, but in the other direction. We denote the reflection as C dash. So this point is reflected in that line of reflection. Then what I do is I note where the rest of the points are on the shape compared to the first point. For example, D is 4 boxes down from C. So D dash is going to be 4 boxes down from C dash. From D to E, it's 2 boxes towards the line of reflection. So E dash will also be 2 boxes towards the line of reflection. We continue this going 1 up for F dash, 1 across for G dash, and then up to H dash. We have all our points now. We join up all the points and we have the reflected object. Notice how each point is exactly the same distance from the reflection line as the other point is. So F and F dash are 2 boxes away, D and D dash are 4 boxes away from the line, and so on. This is the way that we reflect points about a line. Let's take a look at reflection and the number plane. We're asked in this question to state the coordinates of the vertices after the shape is reflected about the x-axis and the y-axis. Before we do that, let's take a look at where the points are right now. Here we have the point A, which is at the point 3, 4. The point B is at the point 5, 2. And the point C is at the point 2, 0. Remember that when we say the points or write the points in number plane, we always say the x value first, followed by the y value. Now we want to reflect this shape about the x-axis. So let's just make sure we see what the x-axis is. That's the horizontal line. And we're going to reflect those points downwards. So first thing I notice is that A is 4 boxes up from the x-axis. This means that A dash is going to be 4 boxes down. B is 2 boxes up from the x-axis, so B dash is going to be 2 boxes down. I also note that C is exactly on the line, so C dash is also going to be on the line. Then I can join it up and I can see the reflection about the x-axis. If I was to fold that first shape downwards, it would reflect exactly on top of the other shape. So now what we do is we notice the points and we write down the coordinates. The point A dash is the point 3, negative 4. The point B is 5, negative 2. And the point C dash is 2, 0, which is the same as C. Now what we're going to do is we're going to reflect about the y-axis. I'd like you to have a look at my picture on the screen and try and work out where A dash, B dash, and C dash will be if we reflect it about the y-axis. Pause the video and give it a go. Okay, let's see if you got them right. First of all, A is 3 boxes away from the y-axis. That means A dash has to be 3 boxes to the left of the y-axis. Same thing with B, it has to be the same distance away from the y-axis. And this time C is going to move to C dash, which is going to be 2 boxes away from the y-axis. Once I join up the points, I can now start writing in the coordinates. The coordinates of A dash are now going to be minus 3, 4. The coordinates of B dash are going to be minus 5, 2. And the coordinates of C dash are going to be minus 2, 0. Notice the similarity between the x-axis and the y-axis, or at least the reflections about the x-axis and the reflections about the y-axis. We have 3, minus 4 and minus 3, 4. They're the exact same points, just the x-axis is now negative and the y-axis is now positive. They've been swapped over. So what should you write? Well, I don't need you to write down the example. I just need you to get down this example on the reflection and how to basically reflect each point about the line. You'll need to draw this in your book. And that's it. Hopefully you now understand what a reflection is and how to draw a reflection of an object. Good luck.